Good morning, guys, or good evening, or good afternoon, wherever it is you happen to be in the world. Welcome back to the Matt Cave. I'm Matt, if you haven't been here before. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you. Today I'm going to try something I haven't done in a while, which is an unboxing of sorts. I received a prize from XP Pen, who manufactures graphic tablets, and it came in the mail this week. This is not a sponsored review or anything, but I've got this package here, and I've got an idea what's in it, but I don't know for sure. I haven't opened it yet. So let's open this up and see what kind of new toys we have. Hey, where's my Phoenix pen stand? Alright. So it looks like we've got the Pilot Pro Joystick controller. Now it's my understanding that this is sort of XP Pen's version of a sort of a tour box. If you've heard of that, I'm sure if you're drawing or doing any kind of video editing or things of that nature online, I'm sure you've probably heard of that. I don't do that much video editing. I'm still learning, but I'm wondering if I can use this thing to make drawing a little bit easier. I'm currently using this shortcut keypad that came with my XP Pen Artist Pro 16 tablet. So, and this is fine, but I sometimes wish I had more wheels. You have to like click this wheel in here to change your menus from rotate screen, change brush size, things of that nature. So let's try out this Pilot Pro Joystick controller and see what we got. Okay, looks like we got a quick guide. Warranty card. Nice case. Oh, all right. If you ever had to carry it anywhere, it'd certainly be well protected. Okay. So here's the device itself. From what I've seen online, this is made to be used with your left hand, and it doesn't work quite so well if you're a left-handed drawer. So we'll see how that does. I'm right-handed, so it shouldn't be a problem. What else we got in here? Ooh, this is a really nice case. Looks like some USB dongle and a converter from USB-C to USB-A. And I'm guessing this is the charging cable. Okay, so there is all your contents in the box. All right, let's try to get this thing hooked up. Okay, so you have to download the drivers and install them, and once you have that done, you can program each of these buttons You can see I've like programmed the eraser, the pencil, the hand, save, and shift. Then you can program the joystick separately. So if you toggle forward, I undo, toggle back, you redo, toggle to the sides, rotate the canvas. And then the knobs, I've got the small knob set to change the brush size, the big dial to change the zoom in, zoom out, and I haven't programmed this other one yet. Okay, I have been at this for a couple of hours now, and I think I'll have to let the inking and outlining wait for another day. But final thoughts on the Pilot Pro device. I like it. It's definitely a bit unusual, and it's going to take me some time to get used to it, especially the joystick thing here. And I found myself while I was working going back and reprogramming buttons from what I initially had set them at. Some things just felt more comfortable in other places. So I'm going to keep using it, and I'm sure I'll get more comfortable with it as time goes on, but it's very nice. Thank you XP Pen for the prize. And thank you guys for hanging out, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.